Wait, what am I playing?
You're playing Smokes, monkey.
Wait, I want to do solo though.
Rain up.
I'm brand new Smokes. I'm brand new Smokes, guys.
Play
Hurry
Astra.
up, hurry up, hurry up.
What am I on?
Killjoy,
This one?
bro. Yeah, this one,
Yes,
this one.
that's so excited.
I think Yen is on the robot.
I'm
Yeah,
down.
bro.
My headphones are breaking.
We'll be playing the semifinals against Seneca College, their red team to be exact. We're here on Ascent for the first game around here. Looks like fast up mid from the side of Seneca. They're gonna send the Jet and the KO straight through into market. Jokey Blizzard hiding out in this smoke at the top. He's gonna go through. It goes down to the around the corner. A V with one, but traded up by actually able to tuck himself. He's crawling up really close here. Choking Villager will be first.
Okay,
Oh,
they're
he's
on
out.
A, bro.
Holy fuck, yo.
One's on A.
At the same
Yeah,
time,
they're probably-
there's the Seneca.
They broke the planning A.
They will get the spike down, but with the
He's sucking. That guy sucked on
hand
Jet.
through. Turret broken
I'm holding
from
main.
the
One's main. Darting.
side. TM make their way
Also-
out.
I'm
Jen, I think. Jen.
You're looking for
Yeah,
one.
Jen.
Back immediately, but they catch Aqua.
Jen still, Jen
One
and
HP,
main.
1 HP, 1
Main
HP.
last,
Thank
main.
you.
Holding. Oh, man.
I'm dead.
Nice,
Ah.
good
Dead,
job.
dead, he's dead. Nice.
He already tucked himself into the back corner right there. Jaxie's got the lockdown in hands right there, and out it comes. On the corner from Yen,
140.
I think he thought he got the kill.
It's
Just
not-
Two in A man. Two A man.
away from
Two A man.
Clancy after a
I
dig.
darted you.
Okay, they're out A.
Back though. That's on the side from Clancy. He
Nice.
goes
I'm
down
on-
that turret of the
I'm stuck, I'm stuck.
Unfortunately, right there.
Ready, Abby?
No players to take
You go now?
the man this
Check.
No, no, he's stuck on side. You guys gotta help him.
I have your dice, I have your left
I'm
dice.
actually handless. Okay, 116 KJ, bro. Oh,
Oh.
40.
Now it's Yaga. He's got 2 kills in this round.
Wow.
Up against K.
There's a
Up
lot
on
of guns
Break
in
that
heaven.
door, and he's actually gonna play really close up. Knows the operator is in play. Has the dash popped.
Nice try.
nah.
Seneca's, they move in, Clan.
Switch,
He's
switch,
out.
switch.
Is it
Can
not
we push
smoke?
He's on the smoke
Yeah.
there. Tara.
He's here.
Uh,
Side now, he probably went side.
Lane?
Side, not jet side.
The spike starting to go down.
Is it B main or no?
I'm holding lane.
Smoke,
He-
smoke.
I
Goes
think there's one B man.
5 players still left for Seneca. This can be difficult for UTM. They
I think
have
come be
rough
main together,
matches,
come kill
so
main,
it's
come
tough.
kill
main,
main.
come kill main.
Jack takes down K. Oh, Yaga straight through the
Wait,
smoke.
Yeah,
Is
dead,
that-
dead.
Grab
Looking at
guns.
the pulse
He
rate.
omened
Okay,
the
flash,
people
flash side or no?
Call.
Clancy low in the sight. Goes
Flash,
down.
flash, flash, flash,
flash.
One, but Beanie
Default
goes
and
down again with another as well, and what a round for
Hits.
Ooh.
Come on, boys.
Back.
well,
Oh my.
we're warming up.
Take, take,
You-
yeah,
take
yeah.
it, take it, take it.
One
Good shit.
member dead. A lot of space gained from Seneca up here and towards middle. They've got market pretty much for free right here.
Wait, pushing market. Two.
At
least.
Dead one. One more.
I have a star there. Call for a star.
I'm
maybe
completely
stun.
blind. I'm
It's
fucked.
fine. Fight the Surge guy.
I have darted too.
Bomb dead.
Is there a Surge guy?
Beth?
Nice.
Oh.
Nice. Good job.
Taro's taking down Clancy though. That was up through middle. Akko took a lot of damage as well, but I'm gonna go down. Taro's ready for that one though. Gets a second. Bit of a dangerous cross there from Aqua there. Only 22 HP. They'll get the spike down,
Spike planted.
but a good read as they hear the up left dash from Yaga. They go straight.
What side or no?
Down to
What
Yen.
side?
Yeah.
What side?
What do you have? What do you have? What do you have?
He has
One
gun. He has gun.
Sucking default, sucking default.
These straight up.
I'm going lane.
That's right.
Oh wait, they must.
So he's ready.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Good round.
shit.
There.
They made us fuck. Let's get ready for
Can you
everything.
Do you leave, quickly? Okay.
Nah, I'm fine, bro.
They're on A.
We got KJ ult in one.
Yeah, I need to kill them.
They have KJ ult too, guys. We gotta go fast. Ready?
I'm down.
Go. They suck default.
You should run.
Default suck.
Yeah.
L1, L1.
Kill him.
Kill hell, kill hell, kill
Dead.
hell, kill hell.
I'm getting half. I'm getting half for everyone.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Got half. I got half.
Man,
Wait, how? One hoe.
He's
Out
out
man.
main. 40. Nice.
nice. Good job.
Shit, we brought it back.
Yeah, we're fine. We got this.
Send the recon dart up into account up here. Moving into
Keep walking.
tree now.
Probably in dream.
Holding him in.
I did clear your left,
Clancy
clear your left.
and Aqua are both
Keep walking. We can get on site. Just hug the left.
ready for it.
Nice.
Grab my gun.
Does get
Good
the
work.
shot
Wait, take
off.
this, take this.
One
take
more.
this,
There's
take
one
this.
more there.
Looks like the second member
Wait,
there.
one
Oh,
HP, one HP, one HP main, one HP actually.
Hit his shots, does a lot of damage
Um,
to Tara, but down to
Come on, guys.
Tara.
We'll have it.
Chase
I want
Is
you
he
dead.
dead?
Dead.
One more.
I'm
sticking
dead.
around.
Hurting heaven.
No.
No.
I'm playing under. Wait, I'm playing under.
Whoa, whoa, what's happening?
Nice.
Nice.
Last at heaven.
Oh,
okay.
Goes crazy with the
You're
Wait,
changing
take
rounds.
this, take this, take this,
Very
take
Real.
this. Avi. Oh.
Why do you throw it down, bro?
Wait, I thought you were fucking down,
Yeah.
dude.
Your brain's dead.
Top level delusion.
K and Jackson moving in. They have ultimates if they want to use them. And they are. Jackson is gonna drop the
There's
lock.
no way.
Bring it.
Okay. Ping it, please. I don't know where.
That's choking.
Higher,
Villager.
higher, higher.
No, it's
Yes.
actually, yeah, it's choking Villager trying to get the lockdown. He is gonna get it.
I was gonna go for
He
the
goes
kill
down-
and
he
stuff.
goes down to Yen.
Are you?
Moved himself up in the head and looking for any-
Nice shot on that one. That's beautiful.
We're good.
Yo, can you monkeys just shut, not cry why you died or something?
Me and Avi just died
Yeah,
the same
Can
way.
someone
It
go
was
in and
so-
front of me? Thanks.
feel like the two most important agents are dying, no?
Bro, you're locking in KJ and not entering. Like, shut your mouth.
Yeah, bro.
He was on the B site, and after those two frags, UTM are all the way to A now. What awareness to drop back and find those two frags. Beanie, he did a great.
You guys are 1 HP.
I don't know why he tried to run away.
Heaven.
there.
He's already out.
Almost
He's
got
already-
caught was a V. He's the
Already out.
member with high HP right
Is
there.
he on site?
You guys got
I've
tons
heard-
of
I've
time.
heard.
Destroyed.
He's on
And,
site.
Really now.
folks.
I'm bad, bro.
You got
For the
three
walkout.
people in A main. This is just
Yeah, peek
gonna
off the
be a-
low bot.
He's
Broke
dead.
it.
You tap the spike, someone's peeking.
Someone jump peek?
If
Three.
you're the first man to do it. He's
I'm
not
on
on.
HP.
Listen, Yaga peeks first. Yaga peeks first. Let Yaga.
He's
2, 1, go.
One go.
It's gonna be the
Good job.
triple
Nice.
peak.
Beautiful fucking cons. Good
All
job.
three members peak. It's tucked for the time being. Aqua's here inside of Market. He gets a V.
Spike
Yen's
down,
pushed
B.
all the way in. Yen gets 2 and Taro finds 1 2v4. UTM looking to win it. Aggressive from Yen as Aqua finds 1 and 2. Double command from him. Jax V takes down Yaga. All of a sudden right back in the way of Seneca.
30 seconds left.
Choking Villager needs to
One
find it.
enemy
Gets 1.
remaining.
He needs Aqua. Can he get it? He can! Choking Villager clutches the game.
Attackers win.
The 1v2. And the UTM White are going to take game 1, 13-11. Alright, hello folks. We're back for map number 2, everybody. Here on Pearl of the NECC Valorant semifinals. It's Jax V. Oh, what does he expect? Wait, Choking Villager. He's going to get aggressive right here. Right on the crosshair. But Choking Villager, great peek. Right past the waiting crosshair and takes down Jax V. The Beanie, ooh, really close on that corner right there, able to trade it back on Choking Village right now. Clancy's moving a bit through Art, a little aggressive right there, and Aqua is able to take down a V, trying to get through mid doors as well. Takes a lot of damage in the process. That's a really good kill right there. Yaga's found 1, that's K going down. They're gonna fall back, I think. Oh no, Yaga goes down to Beanie. Taro, he's got a lot to work with, it's just the one there.
30
Guy
seconds
flash,
left.
corner goes
Last
past, and
player
Clancy's gonna take down
standing.
Taro.
Spike
Yen's final,
down,
wait,
B.
no way, and oh no. You really can't expect it with that classic. There's 3 people, you're gonna have to do 1, 2, 3 there. He has that Marshall, misses his open shot. Sage slow comes through, Yaga tapping on the corners, pumps a dash and gets in here, but all of Seneca have backed off. And by all the Seneca, I mean just Beanie, who's the only one here on the site. Yen takes down Jax V. Beanie ready for him to jump around that corner.
Like this.
Right
Nice,
now,
perfect
Nice
wall.
ball, bro.
Oh,
You
fuck.
can
my bad.
updraft
Almost
over the
one,
thing.
broken.
Broke the wall.
Falco's spotting at 1 and 2.
They
Coming out
stunned me,
CT.
stunned me.
Where's that dog?
CT.
Now K's coming.
One more.
Dead flash,
Link,
dead flash.
link, out
I'm
link.
stunned.
User.
I'm stunned, I'm stunned, I'm stunned.
Linked out. Flank.
Flank, 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 flank.
Thanks.
Dead.
Oh my.
Gonna be Beanie remaining as Clancy falls down.
So I don't know.
Oh,
Hold him,
wow.
triple hold him.
Yeah.
Falls back for the time being.
Wait.
Such a difficult peek out here though.
What is his? Oh, he has a gun.
There's-
All 3 looking good. They moved everyone over here. Clancy's about to dash. He's got the operator in a perfect position watching out right there. Gets the first one yet. Dashes right out of there.
I need to stop.
Tao dropping on the stars.
Pulling them in.
Second back. Jackson gonna take down Yaga.
You guys scale back side.
Looking great right here. Pops the run. They really get away from 1 as well. Flank
Wait,
down.
Art.
Art.
Art,
Aqua
man.
goes down.
Bus was
Hopping
here.
CT.
It was just Clancy. It was looking great.
Got
for
both.
He
them.
was flower, but
Oh
Hey.
my
This
do
way.
you have
Yeah,
wall or
second.
something?
Won this
I'm planning now.
with the operator. Sees the spike.
Wall.
Starts to move in.
Oh, what, Art?
Goes
No.
down.
Right side. You have a wall.
It's bad timing
Rifle.
right there. V on this site. Dash in. Great
Oh.
Nice. Just let it
No.
play.
Fucking psycho.
Though, as the Cosmic
I
Divide
do this one.
and
You guys are idiots.
ready for a peek
You guys are idiots.
But not-
Let's go.
Like one.
Oh, we're not idiots anymore.
Iago's up
Wait.
there.
Hold.
Takes down
Oh,
Clancy. Jack
let's go,
not in
guys.
position to
Ready?
trade tour de force.
We killed this push.
Good. Does take down choking ability. They're pushing aggressive.
Am I-
Sure.
Two flank, two flank.
Oh, 80 guys. 80 on the
Takes a lot of
chamber.
damage, but he
Two
knows
flank.
120,
he's
120
there too.
chamber. One.
Around the corner, misses the shot. Oh, I thought.
What?
Nice.
But
Bro.
Aqua's
Guys?
got
Two flank.
Iago, though. 2v2. All right, back.
80. No hit. Nice.
Nice.
Thank
Oh
God.
my god.
Thank
Oh
God.
my
Thank
God.
God. Thank God, guys.
What is this? What is
I'm
this?
following my ciphers.
Bro.
Difficult to find it.
Yo,
What
I got the entry on that.
Bro, we fucking aped them in con, bro.
That's what we're best at.
We
I got it.
Yo, can you wait for me? I want
He's right here,
to.
I think he's man box. Dead.
Straight
Shoot,
through
shoot,
from
shoot.
choking village.
Nice,
I'm like-
Cypher.
Jump around the corner from Iago.
Yes.
Misses his knife.
Can
I
you
like
cage there?
that.
Can
I
you
like
cage
that.
there?
Oh, fuck.
Heals for you, heals for you.
I'm gonna run
You
through that for the time being. Choking village actually run
You are
all
a
the way
different
down.
Nice,
type of
Cypher.
dead.
What is our
Could be
Cypher?
a man. Could be a man. Could be a man. Could be a man.
Drop behind. UTM
Planning for our.
He's aiming in, bro. Get me out.
Iago is up
I mean,
Funny
alright,
for-
then.
Comes.
a 4v2 now. Well,
I have a suck in the stun first.
moved their way in.
Let him tap bomb. Let him tap bomb. Yaga.
I'm not, don't worry, I'm in a smoke.
I have first.
He's walking up, maybe he's-
Yo, Yaga, close.
Oh my god, 149.
Running main.
That's
Staying
fine.
up.
I'm not using a phantom.
Kill this guy, kill him.
He's
Yo,
low.
um,
129.
He's got Taro away.
Nice.
Go. Hoist towards B. Beanie's up close. Beanie's ready for it. That's Yaga going down.
What is this
Hey
guy?
guys, I'm rizzing now.
You can res.
Puts up and drops the smoke, and if he's
Operation?
right away, but Jack's
Mm.
he's got
40 on
Offing
him.
guys. Do we leave?
Uh,
We leave, I think.
Yeah, we leave. Stop peeking.
keeps the men and keeps it to a
Probably
4v4,
push the
but
bay.
yeah,
I think
Nice.
you can still go B, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Oh my
Let me just
lord,
make.
no
Let me
way,
just
where is
do like one
Powers
thing.
getting
Avi,
here?
can you?
There's just no way he's gonna take the
Oh,
kill.
No.
fuck, yo, he's in our spawn.
Chocolate and spawn, close right, Avi.
Nice.
You fucking put him down like a. Yeah. You got smoke or no?
Yeah, he's one
I
spawn.
have
Okay.
one smoke. I have one smoke.
Smoke right here.
He drops the 2
Ready?
stars and
Yep,
takes
do
the
not.
Do
flank.
it.
And they're gonna take A.
Eye for deep.
No one's
Fall off hurt. Plant.
Oh, here's like a hole.
And then we get the fuck off. They have nothing to fucking control us.
Jumped
Oh,
over one, by the way.
outside.
Unable to
Oh, he's
double
knifing.
that, unfortunately.
I'm clearing flank. Nothing flank. They're both there. I have an eye and 8. Eye and 8.
This side.
Okay, I have a suck in the stun.
Finds
I'm-
no one knows that they gotta be there.
Walking up,
He's gonna
walking up.
drop the smoke, so it's tapped to
So
the
yeah,
right.
suck.
Stun.
You cannot be on.
Jack sees
Off.
it.
Off.
Stop.
No, not even half.
Dude, Jack's
Ping.
gonna kinda go- Oh, they're straight through.
Nice,
Straight
nice,
through the
nice.
smoke. Both
Beautiful.
of them
Good
down.
job.
Cosmic Divide gonna come through Jack's feet on the other side though. They're gonna need to take.
Oh,
down-
close.
Pillar.
So dangerous in here.
Oh my
Teal?
god.
Hopping.
Yeah.
I have shot.
He's just gotta get out of there.
Stun,
Now he's
planning
stuck
right
on the
here.
other side of the
Let's
Cosmic
take
Divide.
control of backside with me, someone.
Up Jack.
Yeah, I'm
Yep.
coming with you.
Behind screens. Tyler's gonna
One
fall.
flank, guys.
Back to sight.
Flank.
Triple backside right now.
Dead.
I'm with you. Back
Play
up.
triple back. Play triple backside. Play triple backside. That's fine.
Two flank. Okay.
He gets spot up.
Yeah, I can smoke you on 5, Zappy. What the
Joking
fuck?
villager, he's got an. He's got an
We're holding.
O in his hand.
Dead.
Okay, there's
Last side,
Last is there. He's out.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Good job, guys.
Why do you have that gun?
I don't know.
Flawless UTM.
Ruins mental.
So toxic, bro.
It's Seneca. They're going fast down. A lot of ash smokes in the way. Spraying through, gonna come through. Seneca holding for the time being. There comes the Jet Dash. It's backside from Clancy. Guess who's ready? It's Yen with another great man advantage. Akko goes down. Yen with the second. Yen looking for
Peek.
I'm flanking.
He's found himself.
Oh.
Chamber's low.
One more.
He's just standing
Oh.
there
He's
somehow.
getting aggressive.
Avi, wake up, Avi. Avi.
Yo.
I'm whiffing. No one saw that.
Yo,
Guys, we got this.
Good
Hope the
job.
streamer wasn't on me.
UTM observer.
UTM observer better not be watching any of
I'm
this.
messaging him, bro.
He was observing, bro.
Down himself was a bit in the way right there.
You want to fight?
Oh, gets one onto Taro right as that Cosmic Divide comes down. Man advantage to the side of Seneca now.
Backside one.
Akko's giving that fight. Jack's feet.
That's
You
all.
have resin 1, you have resin 1.
Stop, guys.
That's
3v2.
Akko going down, back to a 3v2. And Yao V, he wants to walk
Back
Back call,
center.
back call, back call.
With you, with you, with you.
He's behind this wall. It's gonna drop.
Thinks about a shoulder, I don't know. Drops down, and there it is, the fight comes
He's
through,
on me.
he's
Rest
Here,
for you,
like
rest
in
for
front of
you.
me.
just PD left.
Nice.
Yeah, we
Chamber
play
hopping,
full,
yeah, guys. Chamber
play
hopping.
full fucking retake, bro. Am I all?
Dead, dead.
That's dead.
I'm hiding from this, hiding from this.
Alright, yeah.
K wants to find
Oh, yeah.
something, he's gonna toss
Are they still friends?
He's close, he's close.
Oh, wait.
That's Yao V going down.
I don't. I have smokes in
The big
5 seconds.
We have fade ult, by the way. They can.
81 Phoenix.
One
One more back hole, one more.
Going down, they need to find some more. He's got a prowler.
Pretty close.
He'll throw it down on Beanie.
Oh wait, let me
A
peek.
second one.
I'm blind.
One.
bro.
Nice.
Yep.
Again trades. 2v2. Joking
Ow,
good,
back up.
quick spot on the K. And now it's just Jax V. He's only got a 2 to 4.
He's
Second.
long.
Does get the one on.
Sick.
Oh, and
Nice.
Yeah.
Good shit,
Good
guys.
fucking job.
exactly where that
What a fucking retake. These kids are ass.
The other side for Seneca. It's a bit of a weaker buy. They'll have one Marshall and they'll have one Guardian.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Bit of an early warning sign.
Can you break this? Can you break
They
this?
wanna go fast.
But they're running it down, I think.
Hands backside, they're stuck by this
Wait,
trip
one
by
belong.
the corner.
He's out, Taro.
Up close.
No, man.
Find one, but Choki comes through in the corner.
All it.
Second from Choki.
Wait,
Last two-
one
last two,
belong,
last one, not
guys.
hit.
Wait, how did we win this?
Shut up.
Do you have bomb or no?
Other side of the map.
Spawn.
Last guy's hit for.
He's made, he's made.
Last guy's 1 HP to head.
You liar, you liar.
One speed
Nice,
ahead.
bro.
And it's 13-5 to take game 2 and a 2-0 series victory.
Wait,
I have to say, I have to
GG.
take the credit for all of this entire game, honestly. That game was on me. Obviously, the IGL strats are on point.